Introducing Writing Time, sharing big and small adventures.
Students come to school to make their brains stronger.
Your brain gets stronger when you share adventures. You can share adventures with pictures, and you can share adventures with words. Big adventures. Big adventures might be visiting a zoo, watching lions roar, or feeding animals too. They might be riding roller coasters low and high, or watching fireworks light up the sky. Big adventures might be splashing at a water park or camping outside until after dark. Big adventures are more than playing on typical days. They help us see new places and travel in many ways. Quietly think about big adventures you have had. Now turn and talk to a neighbor. Super, super. Small adventures. Small adventures might be building a pillow fort or finding a ladybug that is tiny and short. They might be splashing in puddles or riding a scooter around or planting a flower deep into the ground. Small adventures might be baking yummy treats or watching two pet cats snuggle and sleep. Small adventures are found in everyday play. They help us enjoy special moments along the way. Quietly think about small adventures you have had. Now turn and talk to a neighbor.
Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.